Thank you for watching this week's episode of our Thirukkural series. We hope you found the first chapter's verses and explanations insightful and inspiring. Welcome to this video on Thirukkural, a Tamil classic that covers various aspects of life and nature. In this video, we will explore chapter 2, which glorifies the significance of rain in our lives. Thirukkural is a collection of 1330 couplets, or chorals, written by the Tamil poet and philosopher Thiruvallur. The work is divided into three sections, or books covering different aspects of human life. Chapter 2, which we will focus on in this video, highlights the glory of rain. Rain is essential for agriculture, which is the backbone of our economy. Without rain, crops won't grow, and food scarcity will prevail. Thirukkural emphasizes the importance of timely and adequate rainfall, a treasure of unmeasured worth. Delayed or inadequate rain can lead to drought and famine, causing immense suffering to people. On the other hand, the timely arrival of rain brings joy and relief to all living beings. It refreshes the earth, fills the rivers, and recharges the groundwater, which is essential for all life forms' survival. Apart from its practical significance, rain also has a spiritual dimension. It is considered a blessing from God and is often associated with purity and renewal. Thirukkural highlights the beauty and bounty of rain and reminds us to cherish and celebrate its significance in our lives. In this video, we will explore the various aspects of rain highlighted in Chapter 2 of Thirukkural. From its practical significance to its spiritual dimension, we will delve into the glory of rain and its importance in our lives. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more Thirukkural content. Join us next week as we explore another chapter and continue to uncover the beautiful and inspiring teachings of Thirukkural.